Okay, you guys asked for it, and guess what? We're finally coming out with a bold thickening mascara for you. We do have one amazing formula that we use now called Infinity Length Mascara. I think it's the best mascara that's ever existed. It's a tubular mascara that comes off with our face wash and stays intact. This new formula is not the same. It is not a tubular mascara, but it is a thick building mascara. So if you're looking for full glam on your lashes, this one's for you. So here is the wand. It is a rubber, it's actually a blue rubber wand, and you can see as I'm turning it, there are combs on each side of it. They are not flexible combs. I feel like the flexible combs, that's when you run into a problem with the lashes sticking together. So these little rubber prongs on here really help aid in the separation to avoid clumpy lashes like those spider lashes. You may notice currently as I'm talking, I only have mascara on this side. I've curled both sides. I have applied Infinity Length Mascara on this side, and on this eye, I'm going to apply the new Fake It Mascara. Here we go. Okay, so now I'm going to use the comb at the base of the lash and get a nice little wiggle as I separate and build. So just one coat of this is going to match about what you get with Infinity Length, just so you can compare. But you're really going to start getting the volume with that second coat. This is a richer mascara, so it's a deeper black, so you'll have more pigment there. Normally when you start applying too many coats of mascara, they start getting really clumpy and sticking together, but this little rubber wand gives a really nice separated look, so you will not get that clumped together lash look. Now compare from 2 coats of Infinity Length to 2 coats of Fake It. You can definitely see more drama on this eye. Okay, go big or go home. Going in for the third coat. So the third coat is going to give you max volume. It's going to look really nice, rich, black, and almost like you have our Grace Kelly false lashes on. That's what it's going to look like. I'm really trying hard not to make the silly mascara face while I'm doing this to freak you guys out. Now, we all know I have the world's most pathetic lashes, and for my lashes to look like this with 3 coats of mascara is beyond amazing. So let's zoom in there and let you guys see the difference up close. This is the new Fake It Mascara, 3 coats. This one is the Infinity Length Mascara, 2 coats. Now there's a different mascara for every person. Not every person is going to want thick, deep lashes, but there are those of you out there looking for something richer, and now we can solve your lash dilemma with full volume without false lashes.